Hello everyone, welcome back to Rosie Journal. I'm Alice. Today I want to share a journaling process that I did about a city treasure hunt that I did in Lyon. It was magic themed treasure hunt. I had so much fun. It reminded me of reading Harry Potter when I was little. It was one of the best Sundays this year. So I wanted to use the map as a background. That's why I chose this blank page to work on because I was gonna cover up the whole page with the map. I wanted to make the map look vintage and distressed, so I inked it with Distress Ink Vintage Photo Color. Distress inks are great for this purpose since they are quite transparent. And I use Distress Oxide ink for the page because Distress Oxide inks are more opaque. So I made the background and then cut out the logo. This is my Daika sticker folder. I pulled out some antique style stickers that I bought in Japan. These are photos from the treasure hunt. On the narrow page, I did washi tapes first, black numbers, and gold foiled alphabets. And added a sticker package that had this astronomical image in it, and a cute Halloween journal card with a cat and pumpkin. Then finish it with a gorgeous sticker for journaling space. On the left page, I wanted to add the logo, so I inked it with brown and black colors. Then added photos and stickers. To make the logo stand out more, I decided to back it with black paper. I'm fixing the elements. Moved on to the next page, I used another package. I believe this was a Graphic 45's cutting die package. And then I did the same thing, adding photographs, stickers, and a red label from my digital kit. I thought it'd go well with the poison warning sign on the first photo at the top. This is all I did on this page. Now I'm journaling on the map, stickers, and label. I love that today's journaling reminds me of Harry Potter, and I also love that the gorgeous stickers are a perfect match on this page. I hope you enjoy this journaling process. I am so happy to record this fun city treasure hunt that I did. If you're living in France and interested in their upcoming event, there will be a link in the below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!